Let me take y'all through day one of me being a private chef. This was for a party of 3 and it was 2 birthday girls. This was my first catering event, so I feel like my setup will get better as I go. But on the menu, we had fried chicken, we had mac and cheese. Look at this cheese pull, y'all.
Oh, nah, that's a cheese pull of the year. Cheese pull of the year.
I also made him a sweet potato pie with a graham cracker crust, some yams, sweet candied yams, some other turkey legs, cabbage, and fried plantains.
And let them know how you feel about the chicken, how it tastes.
So good.
That's it. That's all we need.
Y'all heard it there first. Everything was a vibe. Food was hitting. I was also the bartender, providing crafted cocktails to whatever they wanted. I try to make this experience the most unique, personalized, and comfortable as I could. And I think I succeeded. Now, the prep work was all done a day before. So I made sure that I took hours of my time to go and buy the groceries. And I provided receipts upon me arriving. I literally want my guests to do nothing. Like, I want them to just chill, relax. I don't want them grocery shopping. I don't want them cooking, clean, nothing. Just relax. Let me do all the work. This was my first catering event, and I don't have no big team, no fancy team, a lot of people helping me with anything. It was just me, myself, and I. So I had to really just boss up, prepare myself the most I could, and try to make things as much easier as I could the day of for myself. Everything stayed fresh. I had a cooler so that I put all the produce in with ice. So by the time I traveled there, everything stayed fresh, nice and cold. It was only about 45 minutes away from me. So thank God for that. But I really do hate cutting yams. Like, this is like the worst part of this process, period. Like, this is like, oh my goodness. Like, imagine me doing all this at the guest house, at the customer's house. That's going to be crazy. Like, I'm not doing that. It's going to take a long time. It's going to waste so much time. I got to be setting up and all that. So, seasoning them turkey legs. Oh, wait. Them turkey legs it wasn't as big as I thought. They don't look that big right now, but they big, y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's the whole turkey wing, too. I was just looking for the flat part. They gave me the whole turkey wing. So I said, you know what? We got to do what it do. Mix that thing in. I hit it with my green sauce. Oh, wait. I want the recipe for that. Y'all let me know. I do a separate video. Even though I already did, but you probably can't find it because I got so many videos. Just let me know. I do it over. Hit it with that rosemary. Cover that thing. And yeah, we let that thing go overnight. And then this the chicken wings. You can see the difference, right? But my first time doing this, I'm kind of glad I did it by myself. It really showed me and made me realize like how hard this is, how easy this is. This is not easy at all. And I see why people have big teams that they hire, and you know what I mean? This is something real serious. Like, I did not have any clue, and I'm just glad that I got to experience myself. Now I could look for people that's serious, that's, you know, have the same passion as me, that can help me out if possible, you know what I mean? I do this by myself if I have to, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't like to depend on nobody. That's one thing with me. But I got to get the job done. You know what I mean? I'd rather work smarter, not harder. But, hey, look, I'm going to go with God. And whatever he tell me to do, that's what I'm going to do. So as I arrived at the guest house, everything was already prepped. It's already done. Turkey wings, all I had to do was throw them things in a pan with my chopped up vegetables that I already did. And then, same thing for the yams. It was a good time. I was vibing. I was in a good mood. I was playing some good soul music. We were all having fun. Y'all see me making that fresh cabbage. Got the garlic. Had them kids. See, that's why you want to prep. Imagine me trying to chop all that cabbage up, making a mess. Got the andouille sausages. You know what I mean? That's one of the birthday girls was in there looking for something. But yeah, andouille sausage. Fry them things till they get nice and brown like me. And ooh, wait. The kitchen was a vibe. I did enjoy it. It was nice and like comfy. It made me feel right at home. So, you know, I got real comfortable quick. You see that right there? Ooh, wait. Cabbage was done in about 30 minutes. Just added that andouille sausage to the top. Then we just kept it moving. Once some turkey wings was done, I took the top off. Then I cooked it uncovered for about 5 minutes on broil while I was making that smothered sauce. I started working on them yams. Ooh, we hit it with some butter, some honey, some brown sugar, some white sugar, a little bit of lemon, orange zest, sugar, nutmeg, brown sugar, nutmeg. Oh my goodness, vanilla. Come on now. If you know, you know. And then I had some fried plantains, chopped everything up, fried them things yard style. You know what I'm saying? This was an experience that I definitely can't forget. This was something that taught me a lot. Taught me that, you got to be prepared. You got to stay focused. Look, I'm out here making cocktails at the same time. You know what I'm saying? So it all comes with the experience that I try to bring to everybody's house. Every customer or every, guest or client, I try to make them feel like as special as possible. So whether it's for 2 people, 3 people, 20 people, or 100 people, I'm going to always put the same work and the same effort and everything. See that mac and cheese got hit with the bouillon? See? Me and the birthday girl was jamming out, rocking out, you know what I'm saying? Just vibing. Everything be vibey with me. And that's just how I want it to be. Like, now I'm pretty sure every client ain't going to be the same where I could be, turning up and doing all that, having fun. Some is going to be more strict, more serious. But I know for the most part that when I do get the opportunity to get someone that, allow me to have fun and enjoy myself, then I'm going to take that and appreciate that. This experience was more about me just getting out there, starting, creating an atmosphere that can't be recreated by nobody else. And look, you can tell I'm even going hard by the way I make this roux for this mac and cheese. Like, I wasn't playing no games at all. I forgot to bring a big pot, so I had to use what I had. I had to use the biggest pot they had, which wasn't big enough for all the noodles, so I had to do 2 batches. But it was all good, and everything still came out lovely. Good thing about mac and cheese, it don't take long. As long as them noodles is al dente and that cheese sauce is right, it only take about 25, 30 minutes in that oven. You see that right there? Flick of the wrist is crazy. Crazy with it. Goodness gracious. I just know this mac and cheese was creamy. It was delicious. It was flavorful. Trust and believe me, I know. That heavy cream carnation milk mix is crazy. If you know, you know. Put your cheese in little by little. You know what I'm saying? Don't do too much. Don't do too little, baby. But yeah, this is just me behind the scenes in the kitchen showing y'all my first catering event. Look at that cheese sauce, y'all. Y'all see that right there? Oh, my goodness. The passion is all in the cooking. Making sure every noodle gets some of that cheese sauce. Making sure everything is flavorful. How the way you would want it to be. You know what I'm saying? So that's my goal, is to just put my all into everything I do when it comes to catering and cooking. I'm going to cook like I cook for my family. I'm going to cook like my life was on the line. You know what I'm saying? And that's just how I'm rocking out forever. So if you book me and you book me for a special event, just know I'm going to take it serious and you could trust me. So this is all I'm doing. I'm building a documentation up of this whole thing, this whole experience for me, just so I could build the trust with future clients, the same clients, anybody basically in need of my services. This is just a start, one of many. I'm just grateful for all the support that I'm getting from everybody. I appreciate y'all, all my supporters, day ones. Y'all the best. And I tell y'all right now, this journey gonna be a long one, but I appreciate y'all riding with me for real. But man, the vibes are so right here. Like, right here, I'm just making that smothered gravy for the turkey wings. Do y'all see that right there? Ooh, wee. Goodness gracious. And then I had to work on that fried chicken. I already had everything marinated. Just made the quick dry batter. And listen, y'all, I got all these recipes in my cookbook. So if you feeling like, hey, I want to make it like you, Chef Flock, no problem. Get the cookbook and I got you. Trust and believe. And I got some more cookbooks coming out as well. So I hope y'all just stay tuned for those and just bear with me. Now look, I fried them things till they got nice and brown like me. Ooh, do y'all see that right there? Yes, Lord. Oh my goodness. But yeah, the plates was
Bro,
hitting,
like
y'all.
the Chef Flago mac and cheese pulling it off. Oh yeah, there you go. That's a nice little. Damn, that's just cheesy, bro. So do it from the middle, cause people hate that.
From the middle?
Yeah, cause people hate that. Nah, that's the cheese pull of the year. Cheese pull of the year. Cheese pull of the year. Stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing.
And now y'all see the wrap up of my first catering event. I appreciate y'all rocking with me, going through this journey with me. There's more to come. I'm booked again next week. So let's get into it. Stay with me, y'all. If you got any questions on how much I charge or anything, just leave it in the comments and I'll get right back to you. And if you want to book me now, because them prices will be going up as your boy get better. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see that right there. All right, y'all.